Alright guys, so we're going to cannabis infuse some hamburger helper. You don't always have to do something from scratch to make something cannabis infused. You can do some simple stuff too. Chili mac, hamburger helper, let's go. I already did the meat right here. Put in our pasta. Got some water in there. Put in our packet of chili mac sauce. 2 tablespoons of can of butter. Let's infuse this up. Let's grab some can of salt. I like to kick mine up a little bit, so we're gonna put a little bit of chili powder in here. You don't need much to kick it up. All right, I'm gonna let this simmer for like 15 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. All right guys, so I just cut off the stove and we're gonna let this cool down a little bit. You just reduce it until it's the right consistency that you want, and this is great right here for me for this chili mac. That's it. Can of butter inside of the hamburger helper is a great, easy way to medicate something. We're gonna bring you some more short videos like this going forward. Just little quick things that you can do to medicate everything that you eat and drink. Much love.